Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the house or the Dreamhouse sample app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as you can see, here we need just to create a new trailhead background and then we will need just to get the playground username and password. So now we need just to start launching our playground, and as you can see, from the app launcher, find and open Playground Starter and follow uh, these steps. And basically, we need first to install Git. And basically, by using Git, we will be able to from repositories or clone from repositories, and then we will be able to deploy the app to our command palette. So now we need just to go and go here, and from there in the VS Code, you will need just to go to the terminal, and then you will need just to paste and deploy the app to your playground or to your organization. So simply you will need just to go like this, and this is the playgrounder starter, and you will need just to get your login credentials, and those are my login credentials, and I can reset my password, and this is what happens by launching this organization or this playground. And after that, we will need just to go back to our trailhead, and as you can see in this fourth instruction, we have the project readme. And from here, you will find all the instruction on how to deploy and install your Dreamhouse app. So basically, you need to clone this repository. You will need to have the Git bash that you have just downloaded, and you will need just to copy paste all these instructions, and then you will need just to authorize your trailhead playground in your VS Code by using the SF org, and basically simply you will need to already have your Salesforce CLI that is already installed in your computer, and you will need just to follow this instruction uh, one by one, and then you will be able to deploy your app in your playground starter. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.